FantasticStay, a world-class property management system which is completely free. Today we're going to sign up and see what it's really like in first-hand use. The feature list includes listing, calendar, reservation and channel management, unified inbox, automations, reporting, website builder, payment processing, and 24/7 guest communications. We're going to put all of these features to the test, so let's input our email and sign up for free. You're greeted with a happy Steve Jobs asking you to complete your registration. Input your email, password, name, phone number, and your subdomain, which is most probably your company name. Click register. At the moment, you can sign up only using an Airbnb account, so it's a good opportunity to test out the chat and see how quickly they reply. As you can see, they reply quite quickly, and they say they're going to allow to sign up with other booking channels soon. Let us continue with the sign-up process. Here, Airbnb asks you to confirm that the FantasticStay app can indeed access your personal information, listings, reservations, calendars, and so on. So click agree and allow. Please wait a while we connect your listings. Alright, we have connected to Airbnb and the listings are now being imported in the background. Please note that import can take a while. You can always check if it's still importing by going to your listings tab and seeing if the sync status is importing. Now, channel management has a lot of options, and so FantasticStay offers a few of these suggestions of what to do next. The first three options are to connect to more channels. Because I have only one Airbnb account, I'm going to hit skip, but I am going to add a Booking.com account. And don't worry about forgetting any of these steps, because you have this account completeness checklist right here in the corner. So I'm going to add Booking.com manually by hitting the start button. This opens up a PDF with instructions, and I'm going to put it to the side and continue the process. Step 1. Go to Account, and then Connectivity Provider. If you have a channel manager, you can disable it here, otherwise just press search. All you have to do is search for FantasticStay, make sure everything is selected and press next. Scroll down to the bottom, hit I have read and accept. Here you can say connect automatically and hit save. Once the connection is established, you should receive an email from Booking.com confirming this.
It's fantastic.